In the name of Allah, the most gracious, ever merciful. Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. And welcome to a new couple of confusable words in English language. So if you have any interest to know what is the difference between this word and that one, in the idea of pronunciation or even the usage of each one of them, so in the following few minutes I'll show you how to correctly use them and how to perfectly pronounce each one of them. But never forget, if you found this video helpful, to give me a big thumb up, to subscribe to my channel, and to press the notification bell and stay tuned to get everything in you. So without any further ado, let's get started. The pronunciation of the first word, whose the spelling W-A-N-D-E-R is either in the British pronunciation or American pronunciation. So we have wonder, wonder, wonder for the British pronunciation, and the American pronunciation wonder, wonder, wonder. On the other hand, for the word whose the spelling W-O-N-D-E-R, the pronunciation wonder, wonder, wonder. So now we have two different pronunciations for each one of the two confusable words. The first one, W-A-N-D-E-R, it's either, according to the British pronunciation, wonder, or the American pronunciation, wonder. And on the other hand, the word who the spelling W-O-N-D-E-R is one pronunciation, wonder. So it's either wonder or wander or wonder. Wonder, wonder. Wonder, wonder. This is the difference between the two words in the matter of pronunciation. Then what is the difference between them and the idea of usage? They, of course, are used differently. Though the word wonder is used to describe an action of walking without any intention, without any purpose. So to walk in a relaxed way. So if I say, for example, I wandered round the streets, means that I walked along the streets without any purpose, without any aim, in a relaxed way. Here are some examples to show how this word is used in English language. I got lost and I had to wander through the forest alone. Number 2. She was found 2 hours later wandering around the ancient streets in the city. Another example is that made by the famous poet or the famous romantic poet William Wordsworth. He has a famous poem whose the title, I wandered lonely as a cloud. So I wandered lonely as a cloud. This is the third example for the usage of the word wonder. And as you see in the aforementioned examples of the word wonder, we have wonder to indicate a certain type of walk. It is a walk without any purpose. It is unintentional walk. It is a relaxed walk, an aimless walk. On the other hand, the word wonder is used in different 3 ways. First of all, it is used to express asking oneself or expressing a wish to know something. For example, She wondered what made her husband so angry in such a happy occasion. Another example, he started to wonder whether he made the right decision to accept this job or not. So here in the two examples, we have the meaning of the word wonder to asking oneself or wishing to know something. Another usage of the word wonder. It is often used before a request to make it more polite and more formal. For example, I wonder if you could lend me your dictionary. Lisa wondered if her mom could have invited her friends to the party. So here we have the word wonder used before the request to make it more formal and more polite. The third usage of the word wonder is to express or feel a surprise. For example, I don't wonder that she burst into tears after the way you spoke to her. There is no wonder to see him sad as he lost his car yesterday. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you soon again in another academic lecture. But never forget, if you found this video helpful, to give me a big thumb up, to subscribe to my channel, and to share the video to help others, and to press the notification bell and stay tuned to get everything in you. Have a good day. Goodbye.